Cannot wait till prep is over and I can eat normal and have a little patience back. Literally, I was driving today. Someone didn't use their blinker. I about lost it.
I see it.
Stream's up now. No viewers yet. Oh, okay, there we go. What up, Manny? What up, Tim?
What's going on, guys? How's everything?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good, man.
I like what you put in the chat. I liked what you put in the chat today. That was real good.
Talking about me?
Yeah.
What was that? I'm sorry.
Just what you put in the chat today.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It was pretty good.
Thank you.
What's up?
What up, JI?
Hold on.
I feel like you got mad at me last night because I thought you were black, so then you just called it a night.
Oh, no. I'm only doing the one trade a day, so I'm going to just do sim.
Gotcha. Yeah, we're gonna sim it up tomorrow. Like 4 hours, 5 hours.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Probably every single day we're gonna be simming. So, because I'm off basically for the next, like, two weeks, maybe 3 if it takes longer than expected, but hopefully just 2.
Yep, that'd be good. But I'm just trying to get, like self-control, discipline, and only take one trade a day.
I like it.
And so I had a winning trade this morning, so I'm just gonna chill this evening.
Wow, 4 hours, nasty. What up, Clem? What up, Nathan? David, Sebastian, Doug, Gustavo, how's it going? What up, Mad?
What's going on?
What up, Noah?
What's up, Noah? Hour,
What's up, Mary? What's up, Betty? Yeah, this is messy today.
Are you trading GA, Paul?
Yeah, I'm gonna look at GA tonight. I didn't like GJ at all this morning.
Yeah, this shit is messy. I can't even like get good zones drawn out. It's just so fucking ridiculous.
Yeah. I mean, I like sells on GA below 92591. I'm thinking if it forms support, kind of like 92634, I like buys from there. Thank you, Gershot. I appreciate it. Yeah, you're right, Jan. You're right. I just didn't want to say it yet. You can probably see a target up here.
Yeah, damn, GA is looking a lot cleaner than GJ.
Mm-hmm. Even this morning.
Yeah, those cells would be great.
Oh, on GA?
Yeah, like below the 9256. There's a lot of clean traffic down below that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we just got an area of interest at like 92375.
GA has been on an uptrend for like the longest time now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna mark out my plan now.
But yeah, that 9256 area would also be where the 4 hour would flip bearish.
Yep. All right, so
Does this pair get any like moves usually in Asian?
It should, yeah. I'm pretty sure AUD moves during this session.
Someone did something.
Yeah. What up, New World? Thank you, David. We are 1, 2, 3. I think we are 4. We're 4 days away from 1080p. Oh, so exciting. Alright, so we got 3 plans. If none of them happen, it won't be a trade tonight. Alright, I'm gonna label these lines up. I need more coffee already. I think this was the daily high. What up, Jed? That was daily high resistance area. Previous 4 hours bearish with the lower high but no lower low. Still respecting support. So 4 hour resistance, support, and support. Okay. The 4 hours is just real messy, so I'm gonna have to play it real safe tonight. Come on, Jan. You've been here every day and you don't know this answer? Come on now. You of all people should know. I just said it too.
What was the question?
He said that it would be cool if I could stream in 1080p. Come on, Jan. I say it. We had it. It used to be on the previous stream layout. I had it labeled and everything, and I say it like 10 times every time I stream. Man, you must not be listening too well. I don't know if I can look at your charts anymore, Jan. Man.
Yeah, because you say that at least once or twice each stream.
At least. Oh, okay. You're French. I thought that means you're supposed to be super intelligent.
Oh, damn.
I'd like to see it drop down to that support, give us clean candles down, and then we can get some nice buys up. Or, I mean, if it can get above that buy area, that would be with momentum, so I would like that breakout. Yeah, Jan, I'll answer your question this time, but if you ask it again, you're not going to get to come in the Zoom. Oh, wait, no, you can't. You don't really, yeah. You'll be temporarily banned for like an hour. We'll be in 1080 on Sunday. So starting next week, we will be in 1080, pulling up charts. The people in Zoom will be marking up on the chart. And then all next week, we'll have people coming into Zoom to hang out and whatnot.
What's up, Paul?
What up, bro?
How you doing?
Pretty good.
How'd your session go last night?
How did what?
How'd the session go last night?
I held my trade. It hit stop loss while I was sleeping.
Ah, damn.
Yeah, I thought it was going to play out.
That's why I don't like doing that.
Yeah, I normally don't either, but it's worked out. That was the first day in, I think, 8 or 9 trades. It didn't work out. So,
Yeah, I'm gonna have to start doing it because every time I call it, like I do my chart and everything before I go to bed, and I wake up and it plays out like perfectly. But I don't know.
yeah. Sometimes I just don't sleep. I'll just stay up and watch it, check it every half hour.
Yeah, I can't do that.
Yeah.
Gotta get my 5 hours.
Yeah, next week will be fun. I'm excited. I'm more excited than you guys are. Probably.
What's next week?
Well, I move on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We'll be moved in officially Saturday, but the stream will be in 1080 and the Zoom will be, I'm hoping my computer can handle Zoom, the stream, and MT4. So then you guys will be able to see the chart, draw on the chart. We'll be able to open up charts. It'll be a lot more interactive and stuff. And then for the entire week, I'm going to pick people from the chat to come hang out in Zoom for the session for free. Yeah, so like instead of them having to pay for like my group or Rakil's group, the entire week we're going to bring in like 10 people each stream and just let them hang out for free for the session. Yeah. Probably end up doing that a lot, but I think it'll be cool. So the only news is AUD at 6:30, and it's a yellow folder, so. Yeah, Juan, I'm looking at GA today. GA is just too messy right lately.
You think gold's gonna keep going up or break that? Oh wow, looks like it is going up.
Yeah, 0.4. It'll be pretty fun, I think. The only catch will be you have to, if you're gonna come on, you just gotta talk a little bit. That's all. At least.
Was talking about gold. I think if we get above 77, I think we're good to go up a little bit more.
On gold? Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't even know the last time I looked at gold, to be honest. Man.
Yeah, we're breaking into that zone right now on gold, so might be good for some buys. Don't want to.
I'm looking at. Waiting for it to break that zone.
jamming out over there.
Yeah, these beats are sick. I'll say the hip hop that I was playing yesterday was pretty good.
And gold also has a really steady uptrend on the 4 hour.
Ooh. So buys are gonna be nice.
It could be coming up to 1582 in the next week or two. Not even.
Is that pretty high for gold?
It's just the last, spike I see it coming to. It was there on the 27th. That was 2 days ago. Got down.
Oh.
Could be hold on one second.
It's looking like it's making higher highs and higher lows, so I think we should go up and test that that target box I got. And this hourly, we gotta get above that resistance over there. If it's not in the bubbles, you can't take it. Gotta listen to my rules. But the hourly closes above. I might take it on the 30 minute if it's not too big. And say, Briggs, I replied to your message. Just shoot me a DM. Yeah, we gotta see how it reacts around this resistance right here. Yeah, 30 minutes pretty big.
Are you gonna take it if this candle closes above the resistance to the left on 30 minute?
That little box I have marked up.
Let's see. Yeah.
Let me check the. I don't know. It's kind of a big candle, but the hourly would be really good confirmation for me personally. And plus, this is such a heavy level that if we got above, I don't think we'd come back. So honestly, I'd probably just put my stop loss just below the level, or maybe do put the stop loss on the 15 minute. Well, let me see how big the candle is, first of all. I mean, yeah, that's a big one. Hopefully it doesn't break and the next one will break. Because then we'll have a fresh hourly candle, get a 30 minute close above, next 30 should continue us past. And say if we don't get above, we'll probably fall down to that support I have marked up. And then maybe catch buys from there or get sells below. If you click on Click twice on the line and write on text box. Oh, okay. Damn.
Yeah, you're right on that.
You gonna learn some.
On the trend line.
Damn, that's pretty cool. See, you learn something new every day. I saw somebody do that, but I tried it and I couldn't find the writing. Where's it gonna place it though? Ooh, it does it. Ooh, yeah. Thank you, Selmani. That's pretty. I like that.
I thought you knew that.
No, I never have. I never knew that. I knew you could right click it and change it. I didn't know you could just double click it and then it would just. I tried it before to do that, but it wouldn't. I couldn't find the words. It wouldn't show me what I typed.
Yeah, like you can have it in the middle, right, or the left side of the trend line. Well, no, you know.
Ooh, I can. Oh, I can pick the position.
Yeah, the text for the alignment at the bottom.
Yep. Let's go.
It says center, so you put it to the right.
And will it always stay right? Oh, that's. Let's go. That's so much cleaner. Yeah, see that? Look how we're reacting off of that level. Oh yeah, that's so much nicer. And we're barely getting any viewers lately. What up, Giorno? Sakeem, you looking at GJ? What up, Ashley? From down under. Another day, yep. Hopefully. I don't even know if we've won yet this week. I think we might have won one time. I don't remember. I think we had one trade that we won, but it ended up winning after the stream. I mean, even a 30-minute close bearish below here would probably sell to that wick though. And that's 20 pips. Yeah, we can pass some time in here. What do you mean, David? Netflix and your cat.
The boot break is still be another big ass candle.
Mm-hmm. Nope, we can talk about anything pretty much. Unless we're in a trade, maybe just don't be obnoxious, I would say, but for the most part we're just gonna hang out and wait till we get a trade, hopefully. Okay, the tunes are too loud. There we go. What up, London? Are you watching GA, Sakeem?
Yeah, I'm looking at it through your screen.
Gotcha. Yeah, mine's super busy too. Oh, they're good. Okay. Yeah, it's just this free, copyright free, thing. I'll turn it up a little bit then. Go 3%.
Got 30-minute flu.
Mm-hmm.
Did y'all take it or no?
Nope. No, I was not in my text bubble. If it closes above just like that, though, I'd take it and put the stop at the just below the 4-hour resistance, but it's looking like it might just launch. But that's okay. If it pushes up and then it forms a resistance at that kind of box target I got at 93,170 area, I think that would be good sales. What up, Iron Man? Yeah, my gym's been super busy too. It's been really hard too. I'll go in the middle of the day when people should be at work, doing their job, and nope, it's just packed. We were watching a movie and I was in it. Unless you're talking to Iron Man. Oh yeah, you're talking to Iron Man. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say, I don't think I've done any movies lately that I know of. Depends on the week. Normally 5 or 6. Honestly, I don't know if it's gonna fly through this level, to be honest. Because if you look at the 4-hour, it's not like an easy level to just get through. Yep, no trade yet, Sebastian. If one closes above, I'm not going to enter, it's too big. But if we form a good support, I'll probably get in it. Damn, we can't even break 100. Oh yeah, we're way past that hourly wick. Yeah. I mean, just this whole area right here is just really conspicuous.
Honestly, you probably could have gotten in on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Not the previous one, but the one before that had no bottom wick and it had a higher high.
Yeah, I can't enter on the 5 minutes, so.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Yeah. But definitely would have worked. I just didn't like how that 30-minute wicked into that area and pulled back so hard.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna burst through it like it did.
No, I thought that last one should have did it if it was going to. You're in full margin. Oh boy. An IG advert. I used to run ads for workout stuff, and it doesn't work very well. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking, Orgo. Because that's just a really big... It depends where it closes. Because basically that entire area is just a bunch of 4-hour wicks. So...
I'm probably gonna wait for something really good because I'm already up like 2% this week, so I'm not gonna like try to jump into anything.
Yeah, I want it to kind of clear up a little bit, give us some clean room to move around.
What I'm thinking about doing is like half the times, like, so let's say if I join the stream like 5 times a week, right? Let's say I start half those times just doing it on my own, not joining the stream, marking up my charts, and when Asian's done, looking at what y'all had and compare it to mine. Because I feel like that's just like the best possible way to get more confident with my own stuff.
Yeah, does it normally line up pretty close to what you got?
Yeah, I mean, every time you start to zoom, I mark up my charts and then I compare it to what you have, and usually it's like on target.
Okay.
Take a few pips, but yeah. Got a small crowd today, especially in the Zoom.
Yeah, it's been pretty small all week.
I wonder why.
Yeah, probably everybody's sick of Juju.
Yeah, that could be it. It could be like no one's interested right now in the charts.
Yeah, Asian's been really rough this week. Even New York and London haven't been super pretty. No, Brandon, it hit stop loss. I could have secured 8 or went break even, but I just like to keep it below the support or above the resistance. Basically, I leave it where I entered till it gets to 10 pips. I secure something, then I go break even. But I might be changing that rule just to start protecting some more capital.
And someone needs to do like an interview with Uncle Ted and Raja.
Mm-hmm.
Well, actually, someone did an interview with Raja, and I watched that, and I got so many gems out of that when I was first starting. I think I have like 5 pages of just notes from that interview.
Mm-hmm. That was a really good one.
So have you been looking at GA, or you just like decided to do that today because GJ was messy?
Yeah, I just decided to, instead of staring at GJ and then after hours and hours getting impatient and just forcing something, I just looked to find a similar-ish pair that was less shitty looking. So it worked out today. I caught buys. It was late as crap because this morning I got up, I watched GA, and I almost took a buy after this one here, but I was studying and I wasn't paying close enough attention, so I missed those. But it was exactly how I had the chart marked up. I think I sent it to you guys too. I said if we formed a support here, which we faked out, formed that support, if I was paying attention I would have taken that, but I caught the buys from here up to this level. Man, that's a crazy candle.
Dude, GA is just fucking flying.
Yeah, if it closes above right up here, that's gonna be some nasty buys.
Are you talking about the zone you have in, or the 9305?
93166.
166. Oh, okay. Yeah. That would be yeah, that's a significant level on the daily.
I actually tweaked up my rules a little bit after doing some back testing and studying during the day. So whenever I get like a breakout that's against the current momentum, I'm gonna wait for it to come back and form a support or resistance, because those trades I normally lost if I just took another breakout. But whenever it was a breakout with momentum, it typically played out more than not. So let's see how that goes.
Makes sense.
Yeah, just trying to tweak it and get a little better every day. So those breakouts against momentum were a lot of the losses, so I'm going to see if it'll correct it. But if we get a nice 30-minute candle flip, that'll be a nice trade to the downside. Yeah, a little bit of change this week, Sebastian. But for the better. Could the pill bottle sound stop? Well, it's not a pill bottle. It's Tic Tacs. And no, they're not going to stop because that's the only sweet thing that has any flavor that I get to eat for months. So I'll try to make it quieter, but I'm not getting rid of my Tic Tacs. If you DM me on Instagram, Novel, I'll let you know what you need to get into Zoom. Yeah, I'll try to minimize the sound of it.
And whoever full margined GA, I think you're fine.
Yeah. I would definitely have secured and gone break even, if not taken everything. A pill bottle? Come on. If you've seen my Instagram, you know I'm not popping pills over here. Yeah, Jay's moving. What up, Chris?
I made that move with 2 big ass candles.
No, I haven't checked GCAD. Yeah, that's fine. Go trading. If that's what you think, you can definitely leave. Nobody's forcing you to be here. Yep, yeah, Chris, that's the app. It's been playing some bangers lately. This is the hip hop one. I didn't think that one would be good. but it's been really good lately.
People are funny, man.
Mm-hmm. You reading the chat?
Look at your chart, and it tells you everything, and it does exactly what you're saying. It's just didn't find an entry. That was it.
Mm. Definitely not for me, Anchovy. Definitely not for me. Yeah, no. I have a feeling as we grow, there's gonna be more and more haters that just pop into the chat. I'm just gonna have to get like the beefiest picture when I'm pumped up at the gym and have that be like the profile picture or something. Maybe we'll get less haters.
You get mods or something?
Huh?
Can't you get mods?
Yeah, I made a couple moderators. I think I gave like 4 or 5. What up, Phil? 93111. I hope you didn't get in buys there, Phil. Yeah, ambient was okay. The hip hop's been really good lately. Did you guys win this morning, Chris? Yep, yeah. AUD news in less than a minute. 6 seconds. What up, Zap? Gotcha, Rosemary. Yeah, that makes sense. I feel like if you're doing that, though, you're not bringing the right people to your page. You're not going to get people to stay. But that's how they want to spend their time with their one life they get. Yeah, I really like whoever. I forgot who told me about that line thing, but that's really convenient. I like that. Oh, you sold it. Yeah, I would be careful. We closed above all of this, so we couldn't get a wick fill up to there. Maybe bounce off somewhere in here. Still a waiting game for me, yeah. $15-minute floor it created. What's a floor?
Like support.
Oh, okay. That's what I figured. I don't know if it meant support or resistance.
Right. Good job staying patient, not trying to FOMO on that trade.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, it got me once. 2 weeks. Was it 2 weeks ago or 1 week ago when the GJ got me in the morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's never gonna happen again.
Good discipline.
Yeah, it got me once. I mean, to be fair, it wasn't FOMO. I watched the exact same move happen for like 2 or 3 weeks straight, and then just the one I decided to jump in on didn't work out.
Good deal.
But yeah. No, are you free tomorrow? Are you working tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll be working till 5.
Oh. And so we're gonna simulate like all day.
Yeah, probably this weekend we can get something in.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Sunday, maybe even Saturday night. No, not Saturday. I'm not gonna do anything Saturday. We'll be moving in, and then once we're moved in, probably gonna hang out with the lady and just kind of spend a little time together for once.
Yeah, that'll be nice. Enjoy your new place.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't get a ton of time together now, because normally if she is off, I mean, I'm training during the day, trying to do group stuff, I'm studying, and then at nighttime I'm doing this, and then by the time I'm done with this, like, it's time for me to go to bed and get up again at early in the morning, so really only got time together if she's not working on like Friday, Saturday, maybe Sunday morning, but she's normally working Friday, Saturday, so. See you later, Chris. Get some sleep. Yeah, I noticed that too, Argo. I mean, I sat through all of this to wait for this one trade, and this happened at like 2 o'clock. I got 10 pips and pretty quick. Man, not even breaking 100. That's disappointing. I wonder what happened. It's probably the Tic Tacs.
Definitely.
It's all the pills I'm popping. Yeah.
Multicolored. Or the orange one.
What's up?
Either the multicolored or the orange one.
Fruit Adventure.
Yeah, there you go.
It's the best kind.
Winter green.
No. I'm only eating them for flavor.
Yeah, I mean, that's a different necessity, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah. I'll get them in 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm. So if we come down here on this 30-minute, next 30-minute goes bullish, forms support, we get nice buys to the upside. Yeah. It's definitely a lot cleaner than GJ. I wouldn't say it's super clean right now, but definitely cleaner than GJ for sure.
Yeah.
Should at least get an opportunity that's worth taking tonight. Yeah, but I think if we got to close above that 30-minute resistance and it's not a massive candle, that's going to be a real nice, clean traffic trade. I'm gonna go grab some coffee real quick while we wait. Oh, that's so good. Yep, yeah, I'll be getting Raja's keypad. Maybe tomorrow I'll be ordering it, or in the next week or so. Lorenzo, I think that's all you. Sonatic, it's just a free app that plays copyright-free music. It's on the hip hop station. So some of it's been pretty good lately. This one's a little intense for trading, I feel like, but yeah, there should be sound, Lorenzo. What up, Dallas?
What up, playa? Guess what? I
What?
just went to Taco Bell. They still have the Frito burrito. Isn't that awesome?
I haven't been to Taco Bell in 4 years, so I don't even know what that means.
Dude, just imagine Fritos in a burrito. That's what it is. It's so good.
It sounds pretty good.
It's literally amazing.
What up, Robin? How's it going?
Take any trades yet?
Nope. Just watching paint dry for now.
I'm in my car. I'm out at home, so I'm not really looking at anything yet.
Yeah, we're looking at GA. There's a couple. I think we'll have some good opportunity. We got some good volume, it looks like.
That trade you posted this morning, 30 pips or something,
Mm-hmm.
was that like your first like main entry in that pair?
Yep. Yeah, I only closed 10. The target, the TP was 30 because I thought we would continue just rocketing.
Yeah.
But once it stopped at an area I was concerned about, I took 10 and got out.
Nice.
Yeah, but no, that was the first trade I took on GA, and I missed this morning's trade because I was trying to study and trade.
Yeah.
But then when I came back from the gym, it was like 2 o'clock. I was like, oh shoot, that's a perfect buy. So I just took it and it played out.
Awesome.
Did you go to the gym today?
No. I was up this morning trying to look at GJ. I still have to work at like 10:30. Just got off now because Woodman's getting some things. So I don't really have any time for the gym today. I mean, that's an excuse. Like, I do actually have time, but like, I'm choosing not to. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I mean, you were there yesterday, right? That was yesterday we talked?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. So question for you.
Yeah. What's up?
So having Spectrum Internet, is it pretty quick on your end for the speed you have?
Yeah,
I'd say so. Every once in a while, randomly, our internet will just like stop for some reason, but it'll come back on for like after like 30 seconds or something, and there's no problem after that. But I can't remember if that kind of happened sporadically before we got like your package or whatever. I want to say it did, so I don't think it has anything to do with like the change in like service or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Our old thing to what you offered us. But yeah, it's been good. Pretty fast, I'd say.
Okay, because what speed you have? 200?
Oh shoot, I can't remember.
Is it just the basic, the low one?
It was like the select package. I don't know if that makes a difference.
Yep. So you probably have the 200 speed, which is pretty good.
Yeah, that sounds right.
So I'm gonna be getting the gig,
Spectrum?
the gig internet one.
Okay.
So that'll be, it's like 924 plus down, and then 2 to 400 up. So I'm hoping it's gonna be quick enough to run Zoom, the live stream, TradingView, YouTube, all at the same time. I'm thinking it should, but like if you have TradingView and you have YouTube up, will YouTube still load pretty quickly?
Yeah, I when I have like multiple tabs open, like YouTube, TradingView, whatever, I generally don't have a problem. Like there's not really any lagging.
Okay.
That I noticed.
Cool.
But I do have like a newer computer. Got this laptop like more than a year ago. I don't know if that makes a difference too, but I'm pretty satisfied with this. Yeah, the main thing that lags for me in life right now is my phone. I'm kind of getting sick of it. But my phone is like 3 years old, so.
Mm-hmm.
But I have a question for you. You have 2 screens, right? Like your main computer and then like this other like connected screen.
So yeah, I have 2 monitors on my desktop, and then I have my laptop.
Okay, so you have like 3 screens total.
Yeah, I'm only using 2 of them. The laptop I'm only using because the internet's not fast enough to have Zoom up.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up, Fasol? You have Verizon Files. Okay, nice.
We have like a. Well, actually, okay. Full story. My brother came for Christmas this past year, and he bought us, mainly my dad, but us in general, like a 30-something inch TV, something really big. Or, wait, hold on, 30, 12, 24, 36. Like a 50-inch TV. Sorry. So it's a fairly big TV. We had like a 30-something inch. So that TV is upstairs. So I might think about connecting that to my laptop so I can have 2 screens.
It's pretty nice. Or I would say just invest in like a $200, $300 desktop, and then just buy a monitor. You can buy like one like pretty wide monitor, like a I don't know, like 32 inch like wide, same like width as a normal monitor, and it kind of does like it's like a rounded monitor kind of.
Oh yeah, it's like concave or whatever.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna get once we move. I'm probably gonna get one of those and just have one big one instead of having 2 different screens.
Doesn't Raquel have one of those?
Mm-hmm.
I see that on his story sometimes.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah.
So I want to get one of those, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna, if I need to update the desktop because of the RAM or CPU, then I'm gonna buy this fancy one at Best Buy. Oh, okay, nice, Anchovy. That'd be perfect. Yeah, that should be good then. I should be good then. Oh, you have Spectrum. Okay, cool, Matt. Yeah. Maybe looking into Verizon Files would be even better. Spectrum 400. Yeah, I'm gonna get the Spectrum gig. So that's the 1000 one. You're bearish on GA. Yeah, I mean, depends on what you're looking at. I think currently, right now, everything's looking bullish, but it's going to depend how we react coming up to this resistance.
There's not a lot of people on the Zoom today.
No, not a lot of people in the stream either.
It's not been a bad week for some people.
Hopefully, once we get up to 1080, we'll start to grow again, because we've barely even got any subscribers this week either.
So I have the biggest, best secret for trading Forex. Found out just today.
Oh my god.
Everyone on the YouTube stream listening,
Mm-hmm.
if you like and subscribe to Paul's channel, you actually win a couple trades. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Jay is just taking off, bro.
It's got to get above this area.
Look like it.
I think it has enough momentum to punch through.
Yeah, I just don't want it to do it on this candle, because I don't want to enter on a big ass candle like that.
Okay, that makes sense. I was just asking.
Yeah, no, I definitely think it could. But if it does flip bearish right there, I'm going to sell it back down to the level we broke out of. And then if that level holds and then goes bullish form support, then take buys and hold that into London. How long till you get home, Dallas?
Just a couple minutes away.
Okay. Which one do you work at?
Well, I work at one in Oak, but I live in Northside, so it's like 25 minutes away.
Damn, Oak Creek, that's kind of a drive.
The reason I work there is because the manager at the time hired me, like, she knew me outside of work.
Mhm.
I was like, okay, well, since he's not there anymore, but I'm too lazy just to, like, transfer to a store closer to me.
Come on.
I don't want to get to know, like, new people, different, you know what I mean? Just, like,
Yeah, ew, I would hate socializing, like, ew, that sounds so nasty.
exactly, yeah. I want to socialize with other people.
Mm-hmm.
I'm used to these people that I'm also kind of over with.
I mean, there's some
good people, I mean, it just sucks most of the time.
Yeah, change is always difficult.
But necessary.
Yeah, that's true. I'm not gonna disagree.
LMFX fixed?
Me?
Yeah.
So it's been a bit of a story. Basically, I'm at the point where my bank has to allow the transaction because I guess Instacoins is like an international thing. So Instacoins is like perfectly okay with it because they'd be the ones like getting money, obviously, because I'm be depositing into them. But I just have to contact my bank. But I'm like, hey, it's okay. But like again, I got the day today, so I'm my bank maybe tomorrow. So I'm still with Forex.com. The spread is like 2.5, 3 pips, which kind of sucks, but I'm getting used to it. I know.
Right.
Look forward to using it very soon.
Good luck.
Alright, I'm gonna sign off and I'll log to my computer in a little bit.
Alright.
So I'll be
All
right
right, bud. See you.
This thing is moving. Where am I looking to sell down to?
Wait, Paul. So when you move into your new house, are they gonna deliver like the modem and all that right away, or you gotta?
Oh no, I'm gonna order it tomorrow and then just go pick it up in the store and then just do self-install.
Okay, great.
Yeah. So it'll be, I'm hoping it'll be just set up real quick. What up, Black Box? It should be. I don't know why it wouldn't be. Yeah, so if it
Modem, you're not getting cable, right?
what's up?
You're getting cable. You're getting the cable, the whole package.
No, just internet, and then we're gonna just use like Amazon Fire Stick.
Oh, yeah, you get that.
Yeah, if it closes bearish here, I would sell it down to that consolidation we broke out of. I'd secure 10 pips and then let a runner go near there, and then close everything out, and then wait for buys and kind of hold that one a little longer. But if we get a nice normal 30-minute candle close that's not massive above this 30-minute resistance, then I'm going to take buys. So my rule that I kind of tweaked, that I'm kind of playing with to see if it works a little, see if it works better than what I was doing, is if I trade a breakout with momentum, I can enter on the breakout. But if I'm trading a breakout against momentum, it has to, I can only enter on either a higher low or a lower high. So it has to break, pull away, come back, form a resistance, then I can take a sell. Or it has to break up, come back, form a support, then I can take a buy. So I just want to see how that works in terms of trading with and against the momentum, just trying to dial in the trading plan a little bit better, just in terms of the trades I lose. Because normally the trades I lose on the breakouts, from what I did research on, or backtesting, not really research, anytime it was against momentum on a breakout, it ended up just being a fake out and it hit my stop loss immediately within minutes. And the ones I took with momentum typically hit take profit within seconds or minutes. So I'm gonna see how it works. If it doesn't work, then I'll figure out what's going wrong again and try to just tweak it a little bit better. And this thing just keeps going up. It's made a high now, so I think we should either, if we get above, we're going up to here for sure. Yeah, that's some nice traffic up there. Yeah, buys still make a ton of sense, but the sells would just be short term and based off of my like 30-minute flip candle strategy. Damn, we didn't even break 100 today. It's kind of hurts my feelings a little bit.
Now we got like 120 at one point, I thought.
No, it only got on my. I only saw it get up to like 92.
I could have sworn it was to 100 and something. Maybe I'm wrong, but I thought it was.
I mean, if it was, cool, but
Yeah.
I don't know if it. It didn't show it on my end.
Can you go back and look and see how many viewers you had like throughout the stream?
No, it'll only tell me total views.
I got you.
Yeah.
It'd be kind of neat so you can see like what time people you have the most people and that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been. I think it's just the quality, honestly. It would kind of put me off too if I was on a stream and, first of all, like, it's Asian, it's slow. We can't pull up charts. I never really move my chart. Quality's not great. Not a ton of people talking besides me. I'd probably get bored and put off as well. So.
Yeah, it's only been a couple weeks though. It's just a process.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the 1080p and actually being able to interact is going to be kind of a game changer.
Oh yeah.
Because then you guys can kind of draw on the screen and stuff, which will give like different opinions and whatnot.
Yeah, because when I'm looking at GA, I see like a possible buy opportunity I probably would have took.
If you what?
Because I see like an opportunity I would have taken if I'd have saw this before.
On GA?
Yeah. Like at 92,800.
With that bullish candle?
Yeah, that one bullish.
Yeah, I just didn't like it because it wicked into that level and it pulled back so hard. That's why it put me off.
Yeah, I figured that.
Yeah.
It would have been a nice debate.
Yeah, because when the hourly, like what day? That was this week, I think Monday, when I took that sell anticipating the hourly to break through the support when it kind of tapped into it and didn't break it. It just kind of felt like the same setup. The hourly tapped into it, pulled back, closed really weak. Kind of looked like you could anticipate it to the next candle to continue pushing down. But then it held and just filled the wick. So I just didn't want to put myself in that situation again. Yeah, it could be because the markets are weird and because we lost yesterday and the day before. I think we lost twice this week. Yeah, that would make sense. I mean, people messaged me saying they made money when I didn't make money, so I mean, at least people are securing stuff on their own without only doing exactly what I'm doing, which is good. Yeah, it'll be less boring come Sunday. I hope. Yeah, I'm up a little bit, Koyi. I'm up a little bit. Not as much as I'd like, but trades just haven't been playing out this week like normal. So it's mostly Asian session. New York and London. If I took a loss, I had another opportunity and then I went back in profit, but Asian session's kind of just been like you get one. We kind of had like one iffy opportunity that looked decent and then it just kind of didn't do anything. So we sat in the trade for 2 hours, didn't do anything, and then we lost an hour later. So I mean, Asian session's a little harder in that sense because we only get one, maybe two opportunities, and if we miss it, that's it. If we are on the wrong side, that's it. So Yep. Yeah, that's what I've noticed. I haven't done the testing on GA. That's what I'm gonna be doing these next 2 to 3 weeks that I'm kind of off, transitioning into the new job. So gonna be doing tons and tons and tons of simulating, to see if I really do like GA or not. And then, alright, don't take off now. Come on, just hang out, chill out right there. So yeah, then I'll have a better idea on how it reacts. But most of the GBP pairs, from what I've just noticed by looking at them, they all respect the candle flip thing pretty well. So gold is just too aggressive for me, that's all. I've never really looked at it long enough to really study it. When I first started, my original mentor told me to stay away from it because it was crazy. So that's just what I did. Oh damn, this thing's just gonna go. Yeah, no, stay. Let me go down to the 5 minute and see if we can find something. So Keem, how you feel about a 15-minute? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if it's not like super aggressive. I see the clean canvas to the left. To the left is an OE track.
Mm-hmm. 15 minutes not as nice, but the 30 is. Get it on the wick if we.
You seem to be the only one worthy of a final test. Remove as many of the bells as you can. One sound and you fail. Go.
Now the way I be rockin', don't think you got ready. I hug the beat like beat, I bring it hard. Rock steady, underneath the sewers in a New York City. Form a street team with the blue committee. Ain't blue, but they green and mean. Ninjas and turtles and pizza machines. Leonardo Warrior honor, there ain't no cheap shots. Keep looking, this dude, he got no weak spots. Shortstop, play it all, leaving the catcher. 1 through third base, he a boss, Dylan Hatcher. Dylan my homie, and they'll keep you on guard. I'll spit some shards like Splinter while I'm splitting these nerdy bars. When I get in story mode, you know I'm kinda mellow.
Yeah, man, we're making higher highs, higher lows, so it makes sense.
He's just a stupid lame. Didn't understand cause you're a crane, just a stupid brain. The world ain't what it seems. You ain't never seen the world's most fearsome fighting scene. When you're a little bit older, you realize the meaning of being useless as a foot soldier. Yo, my lines are heavy sauce, pizza rhyme, and you know what it is, trip pizza time. You realize eventually come around, that's redundant. Just go and yell the victory cry, cowabunga. Oh, you want that old chorus? Guess what? Feelings don't care what you want. Sergeant so fly, they called him Gold Bloom. Rat King so mousy, they should get a room. Just loosen a wing nut, you gotta screw loose. Aliens are the norm in this batch of turtle soup. You got Gen X for that know the Gen X. Eastman suit, the Bay Blair art could've stayed. Bebop and rock ain't sure which shell to crack. Just pick the one that makes sense, Leo, lead the pack. Now, yo, cracking so many jokes, I call him funny, but did so much good, I call him J.R. Honeycutt. Ralphie always wanna fight, and Michelangelo, he plays so much, I call that dude DFW Nerd Night. And the good news, well, I have people reported, I destroy these fool, they grunts, I hope you guys recorded. I'm behind a mask of dreams, you can't face me, they can tell I don't really give a hockey buck, Casey. In the first verse, I hit you with the pizza rhyme, slip into the past.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in once the 5 minute kind of pulls back.
Yellow bone, sewer surfing myself right up to the technodrome. Started from the sewers, now the whole team stepping here, shredded, destroyed, never reappear. The world ain't what it seems. You ain't never seen the world's most fearsome fighting team. When you're a little bit older, you realize the meaning of being useless as a foot soldier. Yo, my lines are heavy sauce, pizza rhyme, and you know what it is, trip pizza time. You realize eventually come around, that's rotunda. Just go and yell the victory cry, cowabunga. Cowabunga with the cowboy breaker, got my dual shredder looking like an MF Vega. But don't hate, cause I'm sagging on that ass. Bow raw move set for the turtle killer smash. Up, down, down, left, right, Konami code 7 lines into the dark.
Alright, let's see what happens.
Nothing as nice as that red with connection to the boys. They got some toys, show vans, show racer. They riding in the criminal flavor. They think they got it bad, they got Triceratops busy destroying worlds, teleports in New York City. Brain flying in, he wants to steal the show. Got Irma scared Splinter doing rat time kung fu. Multicolor foots holding up the track. The populace freaking out, kid drag breaking habits.
Don't need ooze to give him a bruise when the science orders an ass kicking. Don't get included in my muse. Lead crew have a temper that's worse than Raphael. They say I should keep it inside, but what the shell? That's why my name ring bells like Floridor and Naka. Take it back, ring bells like Hector Salamanca. Breaking Bad, born to be the city's heroes. More cutting edge than what's wielded by Leo. Bite styles like mouses, got nothing in stock, man. Think the backs to fly? Get the swatter, fam. We'll take them lightly, but that's an easy win to me. Tess who said it best, never lower your eyes to enemies. Keep them hush like secrets at TGRI. Closest thing to perfect, 9.95. Splinter told me if I touch beats, treated like
Yeah, I got Inamax. Yep. I actually entered off of the 5 minute. At the 5 minute resistance, so as long as we make a higher high and a higher low, I think we should be good. Looks like we got momentum on our side. We're above everything significant, so we'll see if we continue. You get in, Sakeem?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. I got stopped below the previous 15 minutes, so if it gets below there, then I don't think it's gonna keep going up. But that 15-minute closed really good. It kind of bounced off of that level down there real hard, so I'm thinking we shouldn't return down to that level. We should continue up to the resistance. But I mean, if we look on the 15-minute, we kind of got like this little wick here. So I'm thinking we could target that little wick, which is right where my 14 pip TP is. And once we hit there, kind of go break even, let a runner do its thing.
Looks like JJ is bearish too.
Bearish?
Yeah, it's going down.
Oh, I'm GA. I'm hoping GA stays bullish.
Yeah, GJ daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, even 15 are all going down. Granted, it does look like it's at somewhat of a support, but I don't see any signs of it going up right now. It keeps making lower.
I mean, GA is flying up, so. Appreciate it, Sakeem. Gotta grow our community.
Anyone take any trades on GJ yet?
No, I'm gonna buy on GA.
I took a pretend one. Check the Telegram chat, Dallas.
This is just like an idea kind of trade, not a real trade.
Right. Yeah, just check the chat.
No, I got it. I see it right here.
Brandon, you think GA looks like sells? Or are you talking gold? If GA is sells, then I have no idea how to trade. Well, we break that high, I think it'll pop up real nice. Yep.
GA looks like buys.
Alright, good. Someone, I think Matt, I forgot who said it in the chat. Brandon, yeah. He said sells. He might have been talking about gold, but man, if this is sells, then I really need to learn how to trade. But I think he was talking. I think he was talking about gold.
It is tapping into a resistance, like on the 4 hour or like on the daily.
Look at the 30-minute though. We're clean traffic. All right, I got 7 pips, 6 pips, 4 pips, 3 pips so far. We'll watch her on the 5-minute. Looks like it's breaking. It broke above the 5-minute, close with a wick above the fill. Oh, it didn't close yet. Okay, never mind. Oh, you're talking gold. Okay, I was gonna say, Brandon, if GA was sells, bro, then I have no clue what I'm doing. Yeah, it flipped and made a high, so I think it should continue up. If not, long as the 30-minute closes above. But that would be real unfortunate, right? When we enter, it decides to stop going up. That'd be kind of rude. Took buys on G. Okay, nice, Brandon. Yeah, hopefully we can get a win on here and then be 1-0 and kind of get the week rolling a little bit. That would be nice. I think if this 5-minute does close above and close bullish above that resistance, it should start to move up a little bit, give us a little impulse move to the upside. You cut out, Sakeem. I didn't hear what you were saying.
Otherwise, like, we shouldn't get. Should we take a sell on GJ?
Why is this thing loading? What are you trying to load? Nothing is going on.
I'll send a chart.
Come on, 5 minutes. You gotta close above.
Yeah, I'd like to see it.
There we go.
141.87.
So 5 minute just kind of created a higher low, and it has a higher high wick to go fill. So hopefully these last 5 minutes we can continue up to that target. And if we break that high, I think we will get a little impulsive spike to get close to that wick fill. Come on, 5 minute, bust it out. What? Is it gonna pop? Yep, there we go.
There you go, JR. Sent it on the Telegram.
Alright, thanks, man.
We got stop loss above weight. Hold up.
Come on, GA. A few more
Stop loss
pips.
above the previous 1 hour.
Oh, 2 more. 1 more.
That's 142 even.
I just adjusted it to 142.020 above the previous 1 hour wick. I thought that was the previous 1 hour wick.
Man, I
Because
got
my spread is a little bit wild, I gotta give myself a little bit more buffer room.
Man, it got up to 9.2.
That right now.
My spread is 35, so 3.5.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's kind of why I'm trying to get into LMFX.
Man, it went up to 9.4 and pulled back. Unbelievable. Yeah, this 15's not cooperating at all. Figures. But it is the 30-minute close, so. Yep, always. Take that, gang, bro. I think it's still got room to go up though, so. Yeah, I like that wick on the 30-minute right there. says 5 minutes coming back bearish. That's kind of shit. Holy crap. Oh, my chart lagged. I thought the candle spiked up and closed. But my candle just disappeared and then it opened up bullish. I thought the new 30-minute closed and opened and spiked up 7 pips. Hopefully this next one will just continue to rock it. 5 minute looks like it should.
GJ 30-minute closed indecisive bullish. Lower high and lower low wick. That's nice.
Should continue in the going down then, I would think.
Yeah. Counting on all the time frames to kind of back me up here.
And hopefully this 30-minute doesn't retrace too hard.
Well, a lot of these little 30-minute wicks, Dallas, going way up. So I wouldn't be surprised if it did it again, you know?
Yeah. I wouldn't either. That's just GJ. It'd be like that sometimes. It'd be like that most of the time, I should say.
Yeah, I don't want GA to retrace super hard. That would be... Man. Are we in sells on GA? I think you can answer that one for yourself. Come on, we got the same name. You gotta be paying better attention than that. Can't be making the paws look bad. So, first thing you should notice on the screen. Oh, buys. Okay, yeah. Yep, we're in buys. I was gonna say, if you thought we were in sells, first thing, the little thing, the trade thingy, TP is up, so that'd be buys. And then everything's bullish. But if you meant buys, that's good. If you meant sells, I don't know. But holy fucking retracement, Jesus. Wow.
Do what?
Wow. If this comes all the way down and hits stop, I'm going to be very disappointed. Three monster bullish candles. As soon as we enter, we get all bearish. Like, come on. Holy fuck. Are you shitting me? Wow.
Does anybody watch Vikings?
Mm-mm.
Nobody?
No, not me.
What'd you say? Sorry.
Do you watch Vikings?
Vikings. No, my dad does. He likes it. I never watched it though. Looks cool.
Pretty dope.
That main character, like the young blonde guy.
Uh-huh.
Some Ludwig something. What's his name?
Alexander Ludwig.
Yeah, that guy. So, funny story. Someone I used to work with at Starbucks. She actually met him in Florida or something when they were really young. They're kind of like the same age. Before he was like super famous. That's it. That's all I got.
Oh, really? Small world, huh?
Yeah. So this GJ looks like just right now. It was trying to make the upper wick before going down. Hopefully that's what's happening.
That's what GA. That's what GA is looking like. I'm like, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, we enter. Fucking stop loss.
I'm not super worried about it. What worries me sometimes is when I take a trade and then price goes in my direction first,
Mhm.
and then because like it's got to make the other side wick, so it's like you.
Yeah. I don't understand. It just doesn't make sense why it would break above so hard and then practically almost retrace the entire candle within a minute or two of opening.
It didn't break the previous 30 though.
No, but I mean, it's fucking trying.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, we're only, 7.5 minutes in and we're already practically at the bottom. I mean, it doesn't have a top wick at all, which is possibly a good thing, but if you're looking at the hourly, it's kind of ugly now.
Might just be making a support down here, Paul, to continue to move up,
Mm-hmm.
Come on, DJ.
There you go.
There we go. There's the flip. So like right now on TradingView, on GJ it's at 891, but on my MetaTrader, so 890. My MetaTrader says it's at 914.
Wow.
Just like 2.5 pips higher.
That's what the money the broker.
What did you say? You cut out there.
That's what the money's at, being a broker.
Yeah.
Oh wait, why did this person think it pushed down? Big 30-min start retracement. Yeah. It was just super aggressive. I didn't like how it formed.
Paul, what kind of music do we got playing right now?
Hip hop.
I can't hear it. Is it only hearable like on YouTube?
You should be able to hear it.
That's strange. Come on, DJ. Let's go.
Yeah. I think if GA does end up flipping and pushing up, it's going to be a real aggressive move. Especially with all those orders it just grabbed. But but I mean, to practically retrace the entire candle within 3 to 4 minutes, I mean, that's not an ideal setup you want to see.
Yeah, it didn't break the 30-minute low. That's why I have my stop.
Yeah, that's what mine is too, but it pushed down there pretty quick. Just with it being the last 30 minutes of the 4 hour, you'd think it should just continue with where the 4 hour is currently going. But I did get a position.
30 seconds to 1 hour. And look at 31:20.
$31.20. Oh, okay. Yeah, hourly closed above that perfectly, so maybe we were just retesting. No. I mean, we're above everything. It makes sense for us to go up. 4 hours bullish. Above. We got 3 candles or 2 candles above that 4 hour resistance. We're way above it actually. And then we got a clean move up to 93457-ish on the 4 hour. See what the 5 minutes doing. 5 minute form support, so maybe that's just the candle open and we'll retrace back up. Breaking 5 minute support.
Yeah, that's next 4 hour 25 hours.
Wow. So that's why the viewers keep dying, because we keep hitting stop loss. That's what it is. Yeah, what up, got ya? Yeah, the next 4 hours is gonna be kind of irrelevant though, because it's the next 4 hours is gonna inch down a little bit, and that hits stop loss. So if that's what you were targeting, we might hit the goal. 5-minute respected support, so maybe we'll go up. Yeah. I'm about to just start selling when I want to buy and buying when I want to sell. I mean, I like it so far. I like how it moves. I'm not liking this move, but like, come on now. And there it goes. Did it hit it? No, not yet. It's getting there. Beautiful. We'll hit the target perfectly.
I'm watching this video of this town in China that has the coronavirus, and there's nobody on the streets. None of the stores are open. It is like a ghost town.
It's on YouTube?
Yeah, it's I'll send you the link.
Yeah, they said it hit Australia too.
Yeah, there's been a couple cases confirmed in America. Check the Telegram chat. It said it's from eating bats or something like that. Yeah, 5 cases confirmed in the United States.
If this hits the stop, I'm not gonna trust another fucking bullish candle. That's for sure. If it closes bearish like this, the hourly's gonna looking like it should drop. But maybe if I'm seeing sells, we should buy. I don't know. Yeah, it didn't hit stop on my platform yet, so I think it didn't break. I think I had my stops a little bit below the 30-minute wick, so it's still okay for now, but it's right there.
Looks like GJ on the 15 as well made that higher wick first before going down.
Yeah, I'm so confident it's going down. I don't have a trade. This is my opinion.
Yeah. Ten tips for me would be pretty much at the end of that lower wick from 1 hour.
Yeah, that was
3.5 hours ago. That first really low wick there. That's about 10 pips for me, so I'll probably close it there if it goes down there.
Yeah, that was my. Yeah, he goes.
Come on, baby, show us the money.
There it comes.
I do believe in fairies. I do.
What was your entry?
My entry was at 874. But with my spread, my entry was basically at like 855. So I'm only barely like half a pip in. Yeah, now I'm in negative again.
It's like right at my stop. I'm about to just close it. Oh, there we go. Yep. Close, close, close. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, no idea what happened on that one. Wow. Yep. Hit stop loss every day, so definitely show up so we can do that tomorrow. Delete that. See, breakouts never work out for me. We had clean traffic, clean strong close, and not a single move of buyer momentum, so yeah. Well, this plan didn't work. What time is it? 7:52. Yep, yeah, probably a good idea. Let's just all do the opposite of everything I say. I'll hit stop loss, you guys hit TP. That'll probably work best. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened there. That doesn't make any sense.
Wait, some guy went full margin?
He might. I don't know. I don't know if he was trolling or not.
Holy shit, that thing turned around.
Yeah. As soon as we entered.
20 pips from the top?
Yep. Not a single movement up. Just down.
Yeah.
Yep. See you later, David.
Paul, you getting any more sleep recently, or still saying I'm not asleep?
A little bit more, but I'm just trading worse with more sleep, it seems, so I don't even fucking know what's going on. Maybe I should stop sleeping so much.
We got breaks Friday. Don't forget. Or wait, it'll be Thursday for us, won't it?
Thursday? Huh.
Well,
That'd be a big day.
Brexit is for Friday for them, so that would be. I need to see what time exactly.
January 31st. Wait, no, tomorrow, Thursday. GBP. Yeah, there's some big news at 6 a.m. tomorrow, Central Time. Come on, GJ.
So,
Go. You ready to secure?
What do you say?
You ready to secure your profits?
Yeah, I'm about to. Once it pushes past this, this lowest, the previous 30-minute wick.
Yeah.
Below there, I'm gonna bring. I think I might bring stop loss. Well, I don't know. No, I shouldn't. I should be patient. Wanted to bring stop loss to break even, but it's really indecisive right now. No. Once it pushes past that, I'll bring stop loss to break even.
Are you gonna take it off or you gonna let it ride?
Yeah, one more time. Sorry.
Are you gonna take some of the position off or are you just gonna let it ride?
I'm just gonna let it ride. I truthfully don't know how to take part of a position off on here. On MT4, I have no idea.
I can share my screen to show you after the stream.
Sure. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Does it matter what size? Because I'm trading just 1 cent. Does that make a difference?
Well, yeah, that's really. So how much is it moved? Like profits.
It's basically per mini pip or whatever, 10th of a pip or whatever. It's basically 1 cent. So I'm from 874 to 872. That's basically 2 cents right there. So macro. I think that's what it's called.
Yeah, yeah.
So if I get 10 pips, it's just, you know. Well, hold on. Let me think about this. Yeah, 10 pips.
It should be $1, huh?
Yeah, it's almost.
So it'll be 10.
Typically, when I get exactly 10 pips, it's like 85 cents or 90 cents or something. So it's not exactly 1 for 1. But.
Right.
Once this closes and we get to the next hour, I'm going to bring my stop loss down 40 pips to the high of the next 1 hour high. Down to 41.
Skipping and hopping it, my knowledge going dropping it. It auto shift my soul, so I don't never be stopping it. I slow it down so y'all can hear me turtle beaches. Dedicating this song to the game of girls, I bring speeches, girls with all the features.
I just do that right now. So on trading view, I gotta bring it down to like 960, basically. That won't give me snake eyes if I'm holding eyes. I hold the temple down with the wrong day. Calling all my ladies who like to rock the cosplay. We can take it back to my place and have a little soiree. Party, partake a little gaming and getting gone, girl. You know we do, it's all like fun. Sing it to my girls now. To all my nerds and ladies.
decent close. The 1 hour close below support, which is nice.
Yep.
4 hours, a solid bearish candle. I like that. Definitely going to be some drawback though. 30-minute close below support, but almost kind of near the next support. It is kind of in the middle of a lot of wicks right now. A little bit of a range, but
Everything makes sense.
yeah. 5. Well, okay, the 5 was a little bit bullish, but 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, weekly, daily, everything is saying down right now.
The trend is
Yeah.
I've been watching EA and GJ, and they move like complete opposite.
GA and GJ.
Yeah, I thought that
Hmm.
kind of strange.
Isn't that also the same for GJ and gold?
You know, I did a comparison last night on that, and sometimes it's true and sometimes it's not. I'll send you the chart. Hang on. Because you can actually do a comparison on TradingView.
Yeah. Like a split screen kind of thing.
No, you can overlay the two charts on one another.
Really?
Yeah, I'll
That's
do it.
cool.
I'll send it to you. Yeah, look in the middle of the screen where it says compare on the top toolbar on TradingView. See where it says compare?
Middle of this.
Like where all your time intervals are. Maybe yours doesn't have it. I don't know.
Hold on. I'm not seeing it. Compare.
Yeah, here you go. I did a week on GJ and gold. I'm gonna put it in the Telegram.
Oh, that's cool. This is gold and GJ? Okay.
Gold is green and red, and GJ is blue and red.
Those do kind of look a little bit similar, but like offset.
Well, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. See, like in September, you can see they were like polar opposites.
Yeah. Interesting.
Sometimes they move together. Like if you look on September of 2017, they moved in tandem almost.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So it's kind of, it's definitely not one for sure.
Yeah. I think gold is up top, right?
It's the, It's the green and red. They switch at one point.
Oh, okay. I see that now. In May of 2019, I see that.
Right.
Ah. I'm slightly colorblind, so I didn't notice that at first.
Yeah, there's not a lot of contrast. I should have made different colors.
No, that's fine. It's just funny. It's pretty interesting, though. Well, so far I am. Right now I'm 2 pips in profit. So
There you go.
looking good so far.
If we can get below this 82, 80 level.
Yep. I'm gonna go eat, guys. I will see you tomorrow. I'm probably done for Asian. I'm just gonna watch it, go over it, and try to make sure we don't get stuck in that again.